now the 13th of July. We are taking a look here at Aerodrome Finance, ticker symbol AERO USD, the US dollar pair daily chart. Coinbase is the data here. It is 4:02 a.m. on Sunday. Got a little bit of green here in the markets. See if we take off here, heading into the end of the weekend to the upside. Taking a look at Aero. We did not cover Aero yesterday. Let's see what's going on here with the chart in the near term. Well, we're still holding above the 200-day moving average. We found support there yesterday. We candle wicked down to the 200, closed above it. We still have a let's see, yesterday was a daily lower high and also a lower low. We marked today as an inside day, or inside yesterday's trading range. We didn't make a new high. We didn't make a new low. Looking at a slightly bigger picture here for Aero, we have a nice uptrend happening here. A little choppy in certain areas. Put in the lower lows here. And we are moving here. Choppy, choppy, choppy. But overall, we are obviously trending higher. We have basically some major higher lows taking place. Taking a step back in here to the charts. Let me just get rid of this so it cleans up the chart a little bit. Is we took out the lows here. So Aero traded, took out the lows, found support at the 50-day moving average, traded just below our 69.74, and then started to rally. Now we're back above the 200-day. What it looks like to me that we're setting up is to do something like this here, especially if we see a move up in BTC, which we have higher targets. We'll talk about that in just a moment. So that's what we're looking for in Aero, guys. We want to see that next pop off the 200-day moving average. Now, our upper target, if we make a full move, it's basically going to take us up right above the 1096. We could call it 1096. So if this thing takes off to the upside, basically a full move would be right up there to that 1096 level. And it would be taking out this high here, which is important. This is from the 19th of June. What that would look like from where we're currently trading at, you could call it about a 40 or so % move to the upside. So that's what I'm looking for here for Aero. Obviously, we'll see what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin gets ready to make another leg up, it's only a matter of time until we see Aero start to take out some of these upper targets. But a real full extension here to the upside, another breakout, another major higher high, taking out our highs over here from the 19th of June, would take us right up there to that 1096, potentially slightly higher, about a 40 or so % move to the upside. So that is exciting, and that's what I'll be looking for here for Aerodrome in the days ahead, heading into the end of the weekend here. If Bitcoin continues higher, things are a little quiet, but we are in the green. Bitcoin's up 527. I think that would be a major move here for Aerodrome. So keep your eyes out on that, guys. That's what I'm looking for. Over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin made it up to the 116,834 target. Broke out here. Paused slightly at the 116,834. We're basically holding tight at that level. We found support there yesterday. Let's go drop into a 3-minute time frame. And let's see support. Look at this, guys. We traded up to 116,834. Hit our head on it. Pulled back. Broke through it. Found support. And now we're just hanging out casually right at that, actually right above that price level. So the question is Bitcoin going to continue to the upside and break into another new all-time high? I have a target right now at $130,000, right around $130,000. I just did some calculations and it still brings me right up to that 130 Now, there is some people looking for higher than that. I would be very happy to see $130,000 target. It could happen pretty quick. It could happen in, I mean, I guess it could happen in a day, but I would think over, 2 to 4 days. If we break out strong, I think you could find yourself up there pretty quick. So you get you get two $10,000 days or 10,000 plus some, and you'll find yourself up there at 130,000. And that's going to carry a lot of the markets with it. So that's what I'm looking for if Bitcoin can break into another new all-time high, $130,000. Aerodrome, let's watch and look for a breakout to the upside. We want to take out the highs. So for starters here, before we wrap this video up, let's watch 2 days ago. So that would have been Friday. Friday's high at 83. Let's look for a break above 83, and that's going to be a good start. 84.38's next. And then we have, let's go to 90, 96, and then that 109, 40+% target to the upside. Guys, join us here on the channel if you're interested in our trading signals. There's a link for that down below. Right now, that portfolio provides signals for 8 products. We provide signals for SoFi, SPXL, SPY, Tesla, GLD, GBTC, NVIDIA, and Palantir. And in the future, we'll be adding more. You guys have a great day, of course. Not financial advice.